Hey guys, welcome back to Ability Channel, and today I'm going to be unboxing a new shoe, which is Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Yahil. Hey, where did that come from? From heaven? Thanks heaven. Here's the box, guys. We're going to unbox it now, so let's start. Okay, this is a bit hard. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, I can see paper. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Let's open this one here. Oh my god, this is so nice! I need to open it. This is so nice, guys. Look at this. Can you guys see this? Whoa! This is all my favorite colors. Last time when I was just about to open this, I was thinking it was going to be pink. Where's the pink? Wait. Here, somewhere around here is pink. Like here, somewhere right here, like whatever. But pink is somewhere around here. Oh, I found pink. Oh, wait. Pink is just somewhere around here on the shoe. Okay, blue is here, red is here, this yellow color is here, and this green color is here, just what I wanted. Just what I think, guys. This is so amazing. Look at this. Here we have neon green color, tan and black woven together, black mesh stripe on the lateral side. On top of the stripe is the blue and maroon knit. Signature exposed Yeezy stitching. Black 3M laces. Inside the sneaker is a light tan color. Moving around the heel of the shoe, you notice that there's no pull tab. Instead, you have this thick black line. And then you have the signature 350 V2 midsole. And lastly, a black outsole. Got a little trivia for you. Yahil is a Hebrew word that means, may God live. Those shoes are really comfortable. I tried it on a while ago and it really fits my feet. Okay, so it's really comfortable and it's the end of the video. So please comment down below and subscribe, of course. Hit that bell button and also like the video. Bye bye guys. Love you all. Yeezy Boost 350 2V. Yeezy Boost 350 2V.
V2.
Yeezy Boost 350 Yahil. Yeezy Boost 350 Yahil.
V2.